Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to log into the Astra Plus app. First, ensure you have the Astra Plus application installed on your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, simply open the app to begin. You will then see the main screen where you can find the login option. Tap on this and then carefully enter your registered email or username, followed by your unique password. It's a straightforward process, taking just a few moments. After entering your credentials, the app might ask for additional verification to keep your account secure. This often involves a two-factor authentication step, like a code sent to your phone or email. If prompted, check your registered email inbox or SMS messages for a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code precisely into the app's designated field. This extra layer of security helps protect your personal information and ensures only you can access your account. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup during the login process. First, always ensure your device has a strong and stable internet connection. Next, carefully re-enter your username and password, paying close attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you've forgotten your password, simply use the Forgot Password link to reset it. As a final step, try clearing the app's cache or reinstalling it completely. This often resolves persistent issues. To keep your Astra Plus account safe, always use a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for unauthorized access. If you're using a shared device, remember to log out of the app after each session. Finally, keep your Astra Plus app updated to its latest version to benefit from security patches and new features. Happy app usage!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.